This morning we took delivery of a Disco 4 SDV6. It's got loss of power and we're going to sort it out. On closer inspection, we found that we have air escaping from this area of the intake manifold, and I suspect that the intake manifold is cracked. So we're going to be stripping and verifying our findings and then repairing. So we're busy giving the motor a thorough clean before opening up any cupboards. So we've just removed the injector pipes on the right hand side of the engine, and now we've just removed the bottom engine cover plate so that we can drain the antifreeze. So there's the bottom engine cover plate we've just removed. We've removed the throttle body, and now we're removing the injector manifold. This is such a tight area to work in. You try and remove this throttle body, and to get that 10 off, what a mission. Let me see if I can get this bolt off without dropping it. Let me just check that if it does drop out, it only drops onto the casing below it, not into some recess. Yo, this is tight. You would never have pulled that out with the magnet.
Still, it's got a tight lip.
Lots of thread. So there's the bolt in question that's stopping us from getting this manifold off at the moment. So let's get the other bolt out, and then it might make a bit of room for movement. Then we can pull that out.
Yes,
That thing's loose.
yes, absolutely.
Okay, so that actually helps, because now you can shift it a bit.
Yes, I can shift. Because was when I pulled it up at that side. Then can I put some plastic and that injector that side.
Yes. Yeah, we are taking great care to cover all open recesses, ensure no dirt gets in, especially around these injectors. Okay, so we're looking at the intake manifold, and I can see the crack in it already. There it is there, and it runs along. So you can actually, the crack is along there too. Let me zoom in on that. There it is. It's a good view of it. Okay, and then we'll go to that side. There you can just see it. Okay, we finally got this injection manifold unbolted.
Yeah, boy.
What a mission. Okay, so we're busy removing the fuel lines. So that's this one removed. Okay, so we're just trying to get all the plumbing out of the way. And only what is necessary.
Yeah.
So we're busy taking the injectors out.
And one must be deep because it's getting air there.
And the loss of the injectors on the right hand side is eased out. So Reg and I have been going at this almost the whole day today, and we're close to getting the intake manifold off. We will persevere.